Yo, welcome back to another stream. Everything is working well. The layout is good. So, this stream is gonna be another study stream, and we're gonna do some math exam practices. Since my math exam is next week, 21 January, I think, yeah. So I have a whole week now to lock in, and yeah. And also I'm gonna do a little bit of chemistry, like just some exam practice, since my chemistry exam is also next week. So it's yeah. So it's gonna be a tough one. My hair is not that great. I did trim my beard though. I mean, kind of see a bit, so it's kind of good. So yeah, we're gonna do some math, and let me do this real quick. Oops. There we go. There we go. That should work. Yep. So, the camera works pretty well. So I'm surprised that works. Now, yeah. So let's just get on with it, bro. So we have. Yeah, so haven't did a stream Saturday? I don't think so. But yeah, just a little study stream like we always do to lock in. Oops, that's this one. So yeah, I hope your day has been good and not stressful. But yeah, it is what it is, I guess. Just do this quick. So yeah, I'm gonna do some math exam sets, so I'm got this in check, and you are allowed to bring notes to the math exam, so I'm also doing that basically. It's just like old assignments over and over, so that's the same the exam. So yeah. So hopefully next week this course ends. Hopefully with a good grade, or like a pass grade, because I am so yeah. All right, so we're gonna differentiate. Differentiate x. So what do you guys think about Bruno Mars's new single? Just Might. I find it pretty alright. It kind of sounds like the same piece of music he did like how many years has it been? Probably like, I don't know. But I'm glad he's back, and his album is coming, what, February, I think? Yep. Probably. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna differentiate this. That means it's gonna be, what, x? No. This goes up there, 2x cos. There we go. It's gonna be like this. And we're gonna do it with x, not x, y now. Y. Yeah, so in total of this channel, we have like 40 views in total, so that's pretty solid. Yeah, so it is what it is, man. Made it too big. Oops. There we go. This becomes 2x. This one goes over there, and this becomes x. Right. Okay, so the formula. And then we get like this. So this is the answer basically. This. What is the? There we go. This one down. Oops. Should be like this. F. Y. It's beginning to be a little bit of cold here. It was what, -8 degrees Celsius yesterday at night, so it's pretty cold. But yeah, January month is just a cold month. Didn't feel like December wasn't that cold. Then January, honestly. Quotient rule. So this dy. It should be like that, right? Yeah. Honestly, I'm so glad that the stream doesn't lag anymore. I mean, yeah, okay, the frame's a bit like Okay, I got sidetracked. Let me continue this. 9, and then this part is 4 times 3 minus 1 plus 2. This is what? 12. No, yes. 2, 6. 6. And then aha, so it's like this basically. 6 divided by 9. Yeah, maybe it should be like that. Okay, this one is confusing me a bit, but I'll move on to the next. Oh, my computer is getting laggy so bad. Yes, this goes, yeah. So like -1 plus y equals 0. So y is basic 0. Because it's going to the whole shebang times plus 1 plus 1 equals 0, which turns to x plus 7 equals 0, right? It should be like that. 0. And then x is minus 7. Yeah. So no, wait. This is not 0. This is yeah, this is 1 basically. So the point is minus 7 equal 1. I need some water. For real, need some water, bro. Four, right? Yep. So we have a differential. Quite a mouthful. We'll give this the form. Yeah, it should be right there. Okay, so we're gonna solve delta. Right, yeah, delta. Oops. 16 minus 80 equals what? Minus 64, right? Minus 64. looking at the formula in my book. Just like that. Yep. Then this becomes an imaginary number, right? So 4i. Yeah, should be like that. Kind of messy, though. Yeah. So A is 2, and what the hell was A was 2, B was 4. So we're just gonna insert that. Now A was 2, so E2, 2x. It's just a constant. What was B? That was 4x constant 2. Oops. That's a chemical symbol. What was it? 4x. Like this. Should be like that. So this is the result. Okay. I think I got it. Okay. So the next question. Question 5. What the hell? Okay, so let fx and let what the hell happened? Okay, big F be an antiderivative derivative of f such that f minus equal what, 4. We have to find big F2. So that's basically integrals. If we're talking about big F and small f. So we're gonna integrate that function to find first. So I'm gonna say fx and then this. I cannot draw integral signs very like clean. Sorry about that if it gets messy. Dx this thing, yeah, to become 3 x what was it, 3 yes. Yeah, so this goes out with each other, so it just gets I couldn't forget the constant. See, yeah, and if x plus c, since those two goes out with each other. Now I have to isolate the constant. Why is it so big? Yeah, not big. So determine the constant. Oops. So what if minus 1? We know what if is, or big F, big daddy F. So this, we're just gonna isolate minus 1 plus c equals 4, and we already know that c out of this equation is 5. Now, the easy part is, now we just have to calculate, we just have to calculate this now. And we already know big F, big daddy F. So it's just insert all numbers that we got. So 2, 3 plus 5, since C is 5. 2, yeah, so just calculate this shit fast. So we also have a time limit in our exam, so gotta go fast. So that's 13. Yeah, that's 13. So yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, so my PC is lagging. I can't even close the tab. Hello? Okay. What? Still 6. Oops. Okay. Okay, so it has the same characteristic equation, which is E or X, like the previous one we just did. So it means it's this second plus 6r, since r is y this time. 9 0. Just gonna what plus 0. Yeah, that's just 3, right? No, minus 3. Okay, so the general solution was, let me see, where is it? Okay, there. So yx equals k1 plus k2, like we just did previously, with another as the reverse x. Now I'm gonna use the condition y is 2, so x is 2. We're gonna insert it in here, basically. Oh okay. So oops, that was a very so this k1 plus k2 0 0, just this times this 0 0, this is yeah, it's just no, it's just k1 is 2. So now we're gonna use the product rule, and this is where it gets a bit of a mouthful. So we have k1 plus k2 yes sir, and the product rule, we already know this differentiated is just this what v squared. This is the product rule that we have to follow, and u is k1, right? No, it is k1 k2 x, and the differentiated u is just k2, and v is e minus 3x. Oh shit, e is 3x. V is minus 3e minus 3ex. So now we have all the like puzzle pieces, and now I'm gonna insert into my function. 3x. There we go. And it becomes like minus what, 3k1 again, and then no 2x. So this is oops. And now we're gonna use the condition y. What? -1? Yes. -1. So this is basically, if I can access, we're just gonna make a new page. So let me drag this down with me. There we go. I'm gonna insert x0 since x0 here, so it's gonna be like what this k2 minus k1x. Oh, x is 0, so it's times 0. Oh what? No. What the hell do we do here? 3 c no k1. Oh yeah. Okay, so k2 minus 3 times 2 is -1. c2 minus 6 equals -1. So out of those, then k2 must be this goes there 5. So we know, what the hell, we know k1 is 2, and we know k2 is 5. So the final differential equation must look like, what, 5x, this, oh, and e minus, what was it, 3x, minus 3x, that's the results. Yep. Alright, so next task. Yeah, so it should be like that. What is the next? 7. Alright. 7. What are you gonna tell me now, huh? The linear approximation. Oh god damn it, not this shit again. Okay. Oh my god, okay. So I'm gonna pull up the linear approximation formula. Where the hell is that? Okay, so my god. What the hell is this? So we have a function fxy equals x cos xy 2 minus 1. Excuse me. No, hiccups. There we go. And the line near approximation At what? At A, B. Oh, yes. 1.10. And the formula is, oh, it's just quite a mouthful. But I'm glad there's a formula, or else GG's. I mean, what the hell is even. Okay, so ABA plus FX. No. Y needs some love too. So A plus B. This is the formula that we need. It's like a whole tongue twister at this point. Anyway, so now we have to compute F1.0, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, I need to. Also, I've been working out also. So I worked out pretty early. Like what, 8 a.m. I mean, yeah. So there's not many people around the center. Yeah, workout center or gym. Gym. So yeah, there was not a lot of people. Then let me compute this. So since this is 1, this goes there we go. But -1, right? And it equals equals 0. So this is 0 times 0, 0. Yep. No, because this, yeah, -1. Then it just cos 0. Isn't it 1? It should be 1. If I remember very correctly, then cos 0 is 1. So it's -1. Right? Yeah. It is 1, right? 0. Okay. It is 1. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. I am pretty sure. I hope. But we're gonna roll with that. If there's anything wrong with that, then we. Yeah. So now I have to compute fxy. Yep. So we're gonna use product rule, right, on our function x cos xy to this. And we already know what the product rule is. Where is it? It must be somewhere. Oh, here. This is the product rule. Oh. This right here is the product rule that we used. So we're gonna use the same shit, basically. Okay, so we're gonna, let me see here. So we're gonna see g as x, and a function h is this. Whoa, what the hell? Okay. X, y, 2. Yep. And then g is this one. And h is the derivative of cos. Oops. That thing right here, this one I'm drawing right here, it's called a delta. Like the Greek letter, just wrote in a very fancy way from the 1800s, I guess. But yeah, it's quite fancy since delta is like this, right? So, but they just want to be more fancy at this point. Cos becomes minus sin when derivative it. There we go. Still becomes minus n, not anything different. Y just joins the match. There we go. This is H. Oh, okay, so this is H. Derivative of the H. Okay. So now I'm gonna compute that. So it's fx 1 times cos xy plus x times minus sin x y to y. Why am I doing this? Cos. Okay, then it just froze. Okay. X y 2 minus x y 2 sin x y 2 squared, basically. Okay, so now we're gonna evaluate from the point 1.0. So we're gonna evaluate to that. So that's fx. So basically just take all the numbers that we have in the formula we have. So it becomes this. So okay. Cos is 1 minus this time as 0, 0, this 1 basically. So this is 1 and this is 0. Okay. Now we're gonna compute shit I have. So okay, f y x y. We're gonna compute that. So it's gonna be like focused on the y variable. So it's gonna be f instead of x, they were just gonna do y. Times what? Minus sin xy2 times d dy xy2. Boom. And that becomes Can I breathe? No? Bro. There we go. Struggling to just draw a Y. No. times 2y y xy. Yes, because let's just hop there. Yeah. So it means that this I can't. Yeah, so let's just go with that. X minus sin xy xy 2 xy 2x 2 y y sin x y 2. Now we're gonna evaluate the same shit that we just did with x. Evaluate at that point. So it's gonna be fy. Okay, that looks like a g. That still looks like a g. That still looks like a g. No, that just looks ugly. Yeah, honestly. 1.0. Then we just gotta skedaddle all of that there. 2 1 squared into 0 sin 0 0 this 0. Okay, everything is basically 0. Okay. Now that we have all our things, oh my god, that's yeah. So now we're gonna use this. Remember this? This one. Okay. So I'm gonna use this formula now. Buckle the up. So it's gonna be Lx. Oops. 110 plus fx 110 x minus 1 plus f 1 1.2 0. Boom. Okay, then we just add our numbers, everything. It's like cooking. Just add all the ingredients in, and then you have baked a nice meal, I guess. But in math there is no nice meals. There's just pain, suffering, and eternal hell. Yeah, so it x minus 1. Yeah, so the whole thing is just why is my L so minus 1 minus x? No, excuse me. X minus 1. Yeah. Holy shit, what an... That's the task. I think, yeah. Okay, now we have an integral. And it's quite, yeah, so, oh, I can really feel my PC gonna fly any moment now. It's like a whole airport. Can I, thank you. won't even respond to my Ooh, we've been live for 1 hour now. I think I'm gonna aim for at least 2 hours, then I'm gonna call it a day. Oops. Okay, now we're gonna compute this. What is it? 8? So compute the Ooh, that was a nice one. I did right there. Yeet. Yeet. And this. So everything is just okay. So we're gonna do substitution. Yeah. I always suck at substitution when coming to integral. So I have my formula here. Okay, so we're gonna let y be y2, and we're gonna differentiate that. So differentiate will do 2y, right? Which becomes y dy. Oops. This was half minus half du. Yeah, so we're gonna change the limits. So it's 1 yeet minus 1 0 becomes ue minus a half du, like we just did, right? So we just continue in this way. Probably. Yeah, so we have this one here, and no. Yep. Minus 1. EU du dy du. Oh, not y. Du, yeah. Since there we go. And then we have some limits on. So it's gonna be like the box thing, like this, right? Yeah, and then our limits that we have, basically. Looks so metric, holy shit. Oh my god, okay. And then, what do we say? Okay, so, yeah, so it's in half, this, E1, E minus 1, my bad. And this becomes 1 minus a half, right? Yeah. No. E. Since E, yeah. Right? Yeah, so the whole shit is just is basically a half and 1 minus 1 E. Ugh, that was terrifying. Okay. I think it's the last question. No. 2 more. Okay. Okay. God, what was it? 9? 9. Okay, so there's 10 problems in the exam set, always, and it's in points when grading. So it's like 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, all that. So my computer is now. Is the stream still running? Probably. Okay. I'm just gonna. Can I? Thank you. No? Thank you. Damn. Ooh. Mike Jackson. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so solve the differential equation. What y x, the square root of y. Okay. And we have a condition with the condition y2 equals 9. Alright, so we're gonna separate the variables. So we're gonna say dy, can I, okay, dy, dx, yeah, so we're gonna move all the y terms to the left and the x terms to the right, right? So y, square root of y is x dx. Now that we have those, we're gonna integrate both sides. So it's gonna be like this. So 1 y dy is basically just integrated by dx. Yeah. So we're gonna rewrite. This can be rewritten. Yeah, okay. It can be. Yeah, okay. So Yeah, what minus this? This is how it can be also wrote. So I'm gonna put that one in our integration, and I just okay, welcome. Yeah, just what was it? X dx. And now I'm gonna integrate that. So minus no. X2, boom, 2 plus k. Okay. Now I'm gonna multiply both sides with 2. Okay, no, I'm not asking for 1. I'm asking for 2. Okay, so okay. What the? Okay, so k1 divided by 4. Yeah, 4. Since it's 4. And then we just gotta square both sides. So it's the whole shebang will be like this, I think. Plus k1 divided by 4. Yeah, squared, basically. So we just take this all and squared. Now we're gonna insert what is called. We had a condition, right? Yeah, we're gonna insert this now. This, we're gonna insert this. So it's gonna be what? Yeah, 9 equals 2 plus k is just k, just k'ing right there. At 4. This is 4 plus k1. 4 just goes out with each other with just yeah. Right? No. Just forgot the square. Yeah, so we're gonna take the square root, and that's gonna be square root of 9 is 3. And yeah, so it's gonna be 12 equals 1. Right? Yeah, I think k is just what? Just yeah, 8. 8. If I can, thank you. Okay, yeah. So the final solution must be. I don't think it's right though. It will be a miracle if it were right, but it kind of looks too funky in my eyes. Just don't know why. What the hell did I wrote? There's 4. This is apparently the answer, since we already know what k is and we just insert it there. But yeah, that is something I need to practice on ASAP. Shit. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is the answer. Yeah, alright. Okay, so the last task is quite an easy one. It's just the integration. So we have, let me see if I can. Go like I just passing by. Evaluate to evaluate this integral. Alright. Okay, so we have a ln. That means, according to my formula book, it's gonna turn out into this piece of art. Okay, so ln becomes 2, 1, right? Yeah, 2, 1, x, and ln just chills there for a bit, right? No, ln x dx, and then 2 is a constant, so we can multiply that with there we go. It's like this. Which is now we're gonna integrate. So u is ln. So it's integration of with substitution. Oh my god. Stupid piece of shit. Oh, not dx. Then we have DVD. DVD x2 dx bx3 boom 3. Yes, we're gonna integrate into I can't even speak. So we're gonna integration by part, so it's gonna be like u dv equals uv minus integration of v, and then du. We're gonna fold this. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so we have our whole shebang here. x2 x dx l n x x3 3 minus x3 3 1 x dx. Alright, yeah, so just gonna do it this way, bro. 3 squared 3 ln x minus x2 3 dx. Okay, so now I'm gonna, this just becomes 3, we didn't even touch that, minus this becomes 1 3 plus a constant. Oh, my back is so sore. Yeah, so it becomes oops. Yep. Should be like this. So what was it? Where was it? This one. This has to integrate this also. So 2, okay, so 2 times 2 1 x L x dx, 2 times the box, like every time there's a limit there's also gonna be a box, so x3, like we always do, 3 L and x minus 2 x squared with 3. Yep. Oh, not 3. It's having 3 in my mind now. Okay. Now we have to evaluate the bonds. Okay, so we have x 2, so that means 2 times 3 ln 2 minus 2 3 9 is what? Yeah. It gotta be a quick one. There. This is x at 2, x at 1. So we're gonna do the same shit basically, just with 1. So ln 1 minus 1 3 9. This 1 9. What? It's just minus this, right? So 0 is a 0, is minus, yeah. Yep. Okay. Now, when we have all those, now we gotta subtract. So, I'm gonna draw a box again. 3 ln x minus x3 9 2 1. That equals 8 2. No, why do I always say 2? 8 3 L2 minus 1 yeah. Then we have ln2 minus 7 9. And now I'm gonna multiply it by 2 basically. So 2 1 Boom. ln 2 minus 14 9. Okay, so this I think is the answer. So basically this integral is a pain in the ass, and hopefully I hope it doesn't show up in my exam, or else I will get like screwed all over myself. This what was it? 16.3 ln 2 minus 14 9. 14 9. 9. Yeah. This is the result. Yeah. All of this shit. Yeah, okay. Oh god, okay. Glad I'm finished with that. Yeah, so yeah, that was that mostly. Yeah. Um yeah. So we still have 0 euros and yeah, so still 0 viewers and almost 40 views in total, which is not that bad. But yeah, gained 1 subscriber, but they unsubscribed. So yeah, it happens. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go home. Honestly, I'm too tired. Was awake 8 p.m. No, not 8 p.m. 8 a.m. to exercise. So I did like upper day. So we focused with chest, triceps, and shoulders, and back and biceps. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm gonna be working on legs. So I'm not gonna sit down for like at least a week. Okay, so yeah, that was that live stream. Hope you enjoyed it. I was in pain though with all those equations and shit. But hopefully, I'm so glad that the course is gonna end soon, next week, and then it will be mostly focused on chemistry, then math. So yeah, but basically we have like it is a must to have a basic course of mathematics. So like in college maths, like ugh, like algebra and calculus 1. Yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, think I'm gonna end it here, and there's nothing else to say.